Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll be walking through a day in my life. My day usually starts way early, walking to the bus stop and waiting for the bus to attend the early morning classes. Usually I have taught modules, so 1 week I have continuous classes from 9 to 5 o'clock. While we wait, I thought I'll show you guys the First Bus app. This is the app that I use to go to the university. We'll get a student discount ticket, and if we get the QR code like this, we can scan it inside the scanner in the bus and have our journey. I'm taking you guys along with my journey. This is the usual route I always take to the uni. I love seeing these beautiful houses and the sceneries around this corner. Finally, after a long journey, we are back in our university bus stop. So this is where I used to get down always. From there, you can already kind of see my building. This is the data science building where our classes are happening. I am about to enter into my lecture hall rooms now. You can see some of my friends over there. They're very busy doing something. Kudos to the acting girls. Today was a good day, and we usually grab some breakfast for ourselves from the JC's there. And that day we were giving some croissants and tea for the break. We did enjoy that a lot. After that, it was a very hectic day of classes. Something happened. Due to policies, I'm not able to show my classes here. I'll straight away cut to the chase or having another meal. That's for lunch. That yummy looking dish is my lunch for today. That's masala rice. I usually prepare some kind of rice that doesn't need any curry so that it doesn't fall on my back. Since it was our last thought module, we were very keen to take pictures and videos like this. But guess what? That day there was a fire breaking in our classroom and we were all asked to come out, and we had a joyful time seeing all these fire trucks and things. It was a childhood fantasy come true for me. After this, we had a bit more classes, and that was it. We were left for the day. This is my way back to home, and I thought of chilling on the beach side for some refreshments from the tiring day. As you can see, the place where I stay is covered in beaches. There are plenty of beautiful places in Swan Lake. This is the best way to de-stress yourself from all the trauma and assignment troubles coming on the way. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for watching.